What'd you find?
Green.
What is it? Green?
Green. Those are leprechaun friends.
Oh my gosh. Sneaky leprechaun. He must have been here. Did he make something green? That. Whoa. Footprints on there. Look at what I see. What's in there?
Don't tell me.
That was my water.
We can share it.
You want to share it?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try it? Really careful.
Oh, yummy.
You want to see if you wanted to check about this? Here. Here.
The water.
Oh, it's good?
Now we have two.
Yeah. You're right.
And a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit more.
Sneaky leprechaun.
Let's do
Ew,
two.
green water. Oh, pouring it in. We sharing it?